These customized red tow hook covers add a bold pop of color to your truck's front end, while protecting the tow hooks from rust, dirt, and daily wear. This soft tri-fold TYGER Auto T3 tonneau cover is made for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models with a 5-foot 10-inch bed from 2019 onwards. It's not just about style, it helps shield your gear from rain, sun, and dust, while giving your truck a more polished, aerodynamic appearance. The folding design makes it easy to access the bed when needed, and folds neatly when not in use. These RHINO USA retractable ratchet straps come in a pack of 4 and are built for heavy-duty use. They're self-retracting for convenience and strong enough to handle trailers and loads securely without the usual tangling hassle. These rust-proof black stainless steel license plate screws are made to hold your plates securely in place. They're simple but durable, giving a clean look while resisting corrosion from weather or road conditions. These LIVTEE blind spot mirrors are small, round, and frameless, offering a wider view to help you safely change lanes. They stick onto your existing mirrors and can be adjusted easily to suit your driving position. This TOOENJOY doorstep hooks onto your car's latch so you can reach the roof easily for loading boxes or cleaning. It's foldable, strong, and fits most vehicles, making it a handy little step to keep around. This BUDGE LITE car cover is a breathable option for sedans, keeping dust, dirt, and light weather off your paintwork. It's lightweight and easy to put on, great for garages or covered outdoor areas. This SINGARO hitch cover plugs into your 2-inch hitch receiver and helps keep out dirt and grime when it's not in use. It's a simple way to maintain a clean look and protect the inside from corrosion. This car pocket phone net comes in a pack of 2 and sticks to the side of your seat or console. It's perfect for holding your phone, wallet, or small items without them sliding around everywhere. This POWERBUILT tire step is adjustable and designed to hook over your vehicle's tire so you can access your roof more easily. It folds flat when you're not using it and has an anti-slip surface for safety. This BLING license plate frame is covered with over 1,000 black rhinestones for a shiny, glamorous finish. It adds a bit of sparkle to your number plate and fits most standard car sizes. This Fuck It edition, Emblem, is a bold and cheeky badge for your car or truck. It sticks on easily and gives your vehicle a rebellious, customized touch. These BLING door handle protectors are decorated with white rhinestones and help prevent scratches around your door cups. They're both decorative and useful, adding a bit of flair while protecting the paint. This FH Group bumper guard is a black rubber protector that drapes over your rear bumper to help prevent scratches and light dings. It's great for parking in tight spots or on busy streets. This ASTROAI snow brush has a long handle with a comfy grip and a tough scraper on the end. It's ideal for quickly clearing off snow and ice during winter mornings without damaging your car. These Goodyear window deflectors are made for the Jeep Grand Cherokee from 2011 to 2021 and let you enjoy fresh air even when it's raining. They fit snugly and reduce wind noise while driving, making your ride quieter and more comfortable, especially on long drives or in wet conditions. This MIDABAO rooftop cargo bag gives you a spacious 20 cubic feet of waterproof storage, perfect for road trips or moving bulky gear. It works with or without roof racks and comes with an anti-slip mat, so your load stays put even at motorway speeds or in rough weather. This Vivid carbon fiber wrap measures 5 feet long and 1 foot wide, with a textured black finish and air release technology to prevent bubbles. It's ideal for giving your car's interior or exterior a sportier, more high-end look without needing professional installation or paint. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.